How to fix Chatgpt access denied, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just open your browser and now once you're here, click these 3 points and then click history and click clear browsing data, and if you can't find it here, all you need to do, just click these 3 points and then go to settings and then go to privacy and security, and here we'll find clear data. Now click on it and now just and select cached images and browsing history, and that's it. Just clear cookies and other site data, select here all time and clear it, and after that just if that doesn't fix it, just try to turn off your PC and turn it on again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.